many times we feel like extremely overwhelmed and anxious in life. कभी कभी तुम्हें लगा होगा that you're just frozen, you're not taking any action, you're just frozen. You're just frozen in one place, overthinking about next steps and unsure of where to go. So you know there's 10 things you need to do, you know there's 10 things you need to not do, but at this point you just do nothing. You're just stuck, inactive. And then it's like तुम आगे भी नहीं जा रहे हो, तुम वहीं पे हो जहाँ पे तुम थे, लेकिन तुम अनहैप्पी हो क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारा पोटेंशियल क्या है, लेकिन यू आर जस्ट देयर, यू नो. आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ फेज विच इज़ अ वेरी लाइक right at the cusp before big things happen. You know, the mental unlocks have already happened in your mind and in your physical reality, but there's just something holding you back from going ahead. I don't want to go ahead and tell you कि जो तुम्हें करना है ना जाओ करो, just करो, like don't worry about it, just करो. नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता ये करना चाहिए. Instead मुझे लगता है रुकना चाहिए और जिस स्टेट में तुम हो वहीं पे रहना चाहिए. You should sit and marinate in it for some time, all the while taking care of yourself, concentrating on your food, being healthy, keeping a sound mind, doing creative things, grounding. Right when you're at the cusp, you should be grounding. You should be familiar and comfortable in your own body, in your own being, in your own surrounding. And only then will you get the wisdom and the courage to take the next step. Because taking the next step onto like a faulty platform, when you're unsure about the platform, it makes no sense. Because when you go into this system of trial and error, which a lot of the tech world and a lot of the hustle bro culture tells you that fail fast, try fast, fail fast. ये वाली जो चीज़ है ना, ये it works to like a certain level, alright? But all it gives is anxiety. Learnings yes, but at what cost? At the cost of your mental health? That's really not conducive for the long run. And the world is changing at such a fast rate. तो क्या प्लान है? ट्राई करते रहो और फेल करते रहो और फेलियर से सीखते रहो और आगे बढ़ते रहो. It sounds very good on paper, yeah, but when you're actually building something meaningful, which is for the greater good of people, which is not just with the intention of earning money. If you are a founder, creator, artist like that, who thinks beyond the individual and who thinks beyond profit, who thinks about ecosystems, value systems, and generational transformation of not just the individual but of an entire culture. If you're thinking on that level now, this do fast, fail fast does not work. You need to be taking care of that one project जिससे ये सारी चीज़ें meaningful बनती है, which is yourself. So when you are in this place, you need to ground down. You need to reconnect. You need to reassess, reanalyze, optimize this machine before you optimize any other sales funnel or AI agent system or raise funding. No. First you need to ground down, be aligned at this level that you are at, be comfortable in that level that you are at, and then the next steps for you will just become so clear and so easy to take. You won't even have to take those steps, they will take them for yourselves. And that's usually what happens when you are building something. It's like that शाहरुख खान डायलॉग, राइट? जब किसी चीज़ को पूरी शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसको तुमसे मिलाने में लग जाती है. ये असली चीज़ है बॉस. लेकिन ये हसल करके मिलता है ऐसा नहीं है. ये अलाइंड और फोकस्ड और मैग्नेटिक होने से आता है. अगर तुम किसी चीज़ के पीछे भागोगे उसको ट्राई करके सीखने के लिए, वो तुम्हें एक छोटा सा रिजल्ट देगा जो तुम्हें उस शॉर्ट टर्म में बहुत बेनिफिशियल होगा, बहुत कुछ सिखाएगा. लेकिन उन लर्निंग्स के बेसिस पे अगर तुम बैठ के मैरिनेट नहीं करोगे, अगर तुम खुद को उस रियलिटी से अलाइन नहीं करोगे, तो आगे जो आने वाला है ना, उसके लिए तुम कभी रेडी नहीं हो पाओगे. फिर आगे जो आएगा वो भी ये हसल कल्चर और डू फास्ट फेल फास्ट वाले मोड और वाइब में होगा. बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स व्हाट यू वांट. At least me as an entrepreneur, as a founder, I don't want to get into this with this kind of energy. I want it to be peaceful, and I want it to be calm, and I want it to be aram se. I want it to be playful. I want it to be easy. So I believe in taking your time. I see a lot of this stuff on the internet where people are like, you know, if you're not doing these things, you are falling behind, and if you are, this AI could change your life in the next 3 months, and leave everything, quit your job and just learn this, that's all you need. And this is creating a lot of fear in a lot of people. It's like कोई ट्रेन छूट रही है और उस पर तुम्हें जाना है. बस ये कोई ट्रेन है ही नहीं, ये एक समंदर है. इट्स एन ओशन ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटीज. बट फर्स्ट यू नीड टू लर्न हाउ टू स्विम, बॉस. इफ नॉट स्विम, एटलीस्ट यू नीड टू लर्न हाउ टू फ्लोट. At least you need to learn how to float. And you know who are the people who actually sink in the ocean? They are the people who don't know how to breathe. They are the people who are like, if you just let loose and take deep breaths, you will be aligned with the ocean. And then the possibilities are endless. So stop looking at this as a train jo chhoot rahi hai, and start looking at it like an ocean of opportunities. So here's to breathing and floating. You are right on time. Don't worry.